I don't know what's your name, but you can speak Bisaya to me. Oh my God, yung TV ko nagyaw-yaw. You can also speak Bisaya to me, ha? Roblox girl, you can also speak Bisaya to me. Roblox girl, where is the remote? Yes, I'm live from Davao City, Philippines. Nagdoble yung TV ba, nag-background. So, kumusta ka? Ha? I'll talk to you in Bisaya, Roblox girl. Maayong gabi eh. Alam mo yan? Do you know that? Maayong gabi eh. Dili ko maayo kay balo. Magbisaya, diutay lang. Pwede ka na magbisaya. Diutay lang. Taga Cebu ka dyan. Taga Cebu kayo. Diutay. Taga Cebu na. Cebu na word yan, jutay. Actually ako dili jud ko taga Cebu. From Cagayan de Oro ako. Pero I have been staying here in Davao since year 2000. So 24 years na rin po ako dito sa Davao City because I'm already 46 now. Okay? So ang salita ko is Bisaya number 1, like 90% Bisaya, 5% Tagalog. Okay? Kasi ginamix-mix ko na kasi tungod sa because of some of my family member they speak English, so kailangan din mag-English sa family. Because I have an Indian meron akong Indian na nephew which is he speak French, English and Hindi. Ayan po. So, pag Bisaya ka na lang ha, jutay ha, hindi yan ang ganda ng grammar mo sa Bisaya, jutay. So, na-appreciate ko yan, even though na you grow up there in LA. Na-appreciate ko yan, kasi mahal mo pa rin yung mahal mo pa rin yung Philippines, you know, you are still willing to try to speak Bisaya, no, sa Cebuano. So, oh my God, Roblox girl, are you still playing with Victoria now?
Wala po eh.
Mga unta. So Jules, si Gio Jules Candari. Thank you Gio Jules Candari from North Cotabato. Thank you so much. Oh my God, magto 2 hours na ako dito, guys. Hello Dave, magto 2 hours na naman ang live ko karon. But I still have 8 viewers. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much. And to all my new viewers here, new viewers and interactors, thank you so much for your time to interact with me. And please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel at Daphne and Victoria 777. And also like na rin po, guys. Thank you for the heart. Thank you for the heart.
Unsay June.
Ano ang?
Unsay June forget
Ipot?
to subscribe.
Ha?
Anak ka June forget to subscribe June.
Hindi lang. Ipot is, ano bang ipot? I don't know what is ipot. Ipot? I don't know what is ipot. Ana ang ipot man. Ano ang ipot man? Hindi ko rin alam. What is ipot? Ipot is a Bisaya word. I don't know, but I think that is somewhere in the poet. Ipot, if you have a bird and then you know ipot is a sex organ of the bird. That's we call it ipot in Cagayan. Mga unta.
Unsay mga unta na wala man sila diri.
Oy.
Hindi naman sila sa live na di sila kakaon sa mana.
Mga dalang ta nagkaon man ta. Mga unta, guys. Our dinner is chicken. Thank you so much Bernadette Content for our chicken.
Sabaw.
Thank you so much Bernadette Content and Poloy Palang and Maika, Karel. Thank you so much sa paghatag sa manok, guys. Kaya amo yung na sabawan og kalamunggay karon nami sudan. Isabawan na og kalamunggay Dave, lami kayo. Mga unta Jules Kandari.